It's update time. So this is our 30,000 mile 2015 G550. This is the update. This actually is going into the paint booth on Monday. It's Friday right now. And as you can see, it looks a little different from when it came in. What we did is we pulled the windscreen out. We fixed all the corrosion around the windscreen. We actually had corrosion all the way through here. So the guys took it all the way down to the bare steel and repaired it. We've also got these cool little weep holes that if water is going to get behind there, it offers it a chance to escape, thereby mitigating the corrosion process moving forward. Pretty cool. Other things we did are up here where the antenna was missing. We pulled the tape off that the other people had put on there, and it also pulled the paint off. So we're going to end up shooting that. We're also pulled the what do you call this? The sunroof seal, and we've got a little bit of paint missing at the back of the sunroof opening on the hood, or I'm sorry, the roof. So we're going to shoot that as well. The hood's going to get shot. The grill's going to get shot. It's going to go into the paint booth next week. All these boo-boos are going to get squared away. We're going to get it back, reassemble it, and then onto the suspension. We have a big pile of parts for this truck. Can't wait to get this thing on new suspenders, meaning shocks, springs, onboard air, command upgrade. We're going to do all the braided stainless diff and brake lines. I'm missing about a half a dozen other accessories and cool add-ons. This truck is going to be sweet, and it's going to be super capable when we're done. And it's getting full bumpers and winch and all the other good stuff. So really excited to see this thing come to life. This is just a little bit of the process of what it looks like. Took all the bumpers off. We took the spare tire off. We took the running boards off, exposed the exhaust. We took the glass out. We also took the stuff off the top of the roof, exposed the sunroof, and any problem areas is going to get taken care of while it's in the paint booth. Hood's going to get repainted. The grill's going to get repainted. The roof's going to get repainted. The windshield frame's going to get repainted. And we also did the little mods here. All in the nick of time. Just time to roll in on Monday.